Gecko in Halloween disguise. Hello, hello, yes, it's someone you know. Look, it's your friend Gecko in Halloween disguise. Just a second, what's that noise? Listen, can you hear? Oh no, there it goes again. Did you just hear it too? The spooky wooky sound is frightening me, yellow and blue. Hello, hello, are you someone we know? Scaring blue and yellow in Halloween disguise. Wait a minute, I've just heard the noise, it came from blue. Some oil will fix that spooky noise, so that's what we will do. Hello, hello, are you someone we know? Trick or treating Gecko in Halloween disguise.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Bye!